Good evening, viewers. You're watching National Pulse Live. Tonight, we revisit one of the darkest days in Indian democracy, the 2001 Parliament attack. On December 13, 2001, 5 heavily armed terrorists infiltrated the Parliament complex. 9 lives were lost, and our democracy stood shaken but unbroken. To discuss the aftermath, we are joined by Ms. Verma, a national security analyst, and Ms. Khan, a noted peace activist. Welcome.
धन्यवाद। अब समय आ गया है कि हम आतंकवाद को उसी नाम से पुकारें जो वो असलियत में है। ये एक जंग है भारत के खिलाफ। अब इसे मीठा बनाकर दिखाने का वक्त चला गया है।
Thank you. And while we must never forget the lives lost, we must also reflect on the decisions we made in the name of democracy, whether they serve justice or merely fuel more hatred.
Let's begin with you, Ms. Verma. 24 years later, what is your assessment of the Parliament attack and its impact?
ये सिर्फ एक इमारत पर हमला नहीं था, ये हमारी लोकतंत्र की आत्मा पर वार था। और हम सब जानते थे कि ये आतंकी कहां से आए हैं। हमें उसी वक्त पूरे जोर से जवाब देना चाहिए था, पर हम बहस करते रहे। ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी गलती थी।
Ms. Verma, aggression isn't always the answer. Yes, it was a horrific act, but retaliatory violence risked more civilian lives. We needed stronger intelligence, not war drums.
माफ कीजिए मिस खान, लेकिन आप जैसे लोग टीवी स्टूडियोज में बैठकर शांति की बातें करते हैं। जरा उन परिवारों से पूछिए जिन्होंने अपने लाल खोए हैं, उनके लिए क्या जवाब है आपके पास?
And people like you love to scream patriotism while ignoring diplomacy. If retaliation brought peace, we would be the most peaceful country by now. We need a strategy, not slogans.
स्ट्रैटेजी? जब देश का संसद घेरे में था, नेताओं की जान खतरे में थी, तब क्या हम चुपचाप बैठे रहते? आप अब भी उनके साथ बातचीत की बात करती हैं?
And imagine if we had gone to war, thousands more dead and nuclear tensions high. We need justice, not zingoism.
All right. Strong views from both the sides. But let's not forget about the mastermind Afzal Guru, who was convicted and hanged. But his trial still sparks debate. Was justice served or was it rushed?
उसे वही मिला जो उसका हक था। अगर कोई हमारे संविधान पर हाथ उठाए तो उसके साथ दया नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Justice must be fair, not furious. The court itself admitted to a lack of direct evidence, and hanging someone to satisfy the collective conscience, is that justice or revenge?
तो क्या अब आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर सवाल उठा रहे हैं?
I question anything that values emotions over evidence, and that's called democracy.
Passions clearly still run deep, even 2 decades later. But one thing we can agree on, we must remember the lives lost, uphold the sanctity of democracy, and keep the truth of light burning. Thank you, Ms. Verma. Thank you, Ms. Khan. And thank you, viewers, for joining us on National Pulse Live. Before we dive back into tonight's main debate, let's switch gears and catch up with latest from the world of sports. Over to our sports anchor.
Good evening, sports fans. Here is what's making the headlines today. Cricket update. Team India continues its dream run. In the Under-19 World Cup, our young squad defeated Australia in a nail-biting finals by just 3 wickets. Badminton, PV Sindhu bags a silver at the Asian Badminton Championships. Her comeback after her injury has inspired millions. International football. In the English Premier League, Manchester City clinched a last-minute win against Arsenal with a stunning goal by Erling Haaland in the 89th minute. The title race is heating up. And that's all from the world of sports. Remember, victory is great, but sportsmanship is greater. Over to you.
Thank you for that energetic roundup. Now let's head over to our weather desk.
Hello everyone and welcome to the weather report, because even news anchor needs to know that they will be stepping into puddles or sunshine after the bulletin. Delhi, cool and breezy with temperature dropping to 22 degrees Celsius by evening. Slight haze expected in the early morning, perfect for chai and sweaters. Mumbai, cloudy skies and high humidity. Light rain is expected around late evening. Umbrellas up Mumbaikars. Kashmir, snowfall continues in Gulmarg and Srinagar. Temperature hovered around -2 degrees Celsius. Tourists are advised to travel with a caution and a lot of wool. And that wraps up your forecast. No matter the weather outside, stay bright on the inside. Thank you.
समय हो गया एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, तो मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद।